What is up guys, my name is Tal and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. In today's video I'm going to talk about the Moto One action. Like, dear Motorola, your smartphones are great, we love it and we have been using it since like years and years. But the biggest problem is your update cycle. Literally, you never give update on your smartphones on time. The One UI, you never give updates on time. The Android 10 was delayed a lot, like it was delayed 6 months, whereas Samsung was giving updates in the M21 even it was received. Now the Android 11, there is just no clue when are we going to get it. I'm very sad that I just want Motorola to give this new Android 11 update. Android 1, they said when they launched the smartphone, they were so confident. They were like, hey, we got the best smartphone, we are going to give you a lot of updates and you are going to be very happy. And now it's like, it's just gone. We don't care about the Moto One action. Let's move on. That's not the thing. If you want to build a very good quality of trust, you definitely need to have a very good software. You need to have a software which can support the device later so that you can have trust and people can trust your brand so that they can buy more smartphones from it. Like, let me give you an example. Think about Apple. There is the iPhone 7 in like 2014 or 15, and now still that smartphone is getting the latest iOS 14.3 update. Now when you think of this, you feel like, whoa, that is great. I mean, if I will buy an iPhone 11 right now and I want that smartphone to use, like I want to use that smartphone for like 4 or 5 years, that will be no problem because I will be running on the latest software and that software will be more and more optimized and I will love it. So now when again I will want to buy a new phone, I will definitely buy an iPhone. That's why Apple users don't go to Android, because once they just get very satisfied with the software experience, they just don't want to switch. Now, what about Android? Like, to be honest, Android is also not bad. If you buy an S21 right now, you will get the 3 years of software update and then you can probably buy a new one. But in terms of brands like Motorola and Lenovo and other brands as well, I'm not pointing out specific brands, but in terms of those brands, they are just very behind the competition. It's sad to say, but they are. Because let's just say you bought a Moto One action, you are very happy, and your Android 10 update gets delayed by 6 months. You are frustrated, or maybe you are a person who doesn't care about update, you just want your smartphone to run well, and it is running, and after 6 months you get the Android 10 update, you are very happy. Now those guys who don't know about updates a lot, they also got to know that, hey, you're going to get the new update very soon. Now you're waiting for Android 11. It's been a year and more than that, and Android 11 is basically running on every smartphone right now, like the M21, F41, Redmi Note 10, Redmi Note 10 Pro, Poco X3, Poco X3 Pro, like basically any smartphone you look at in the budget, it is running at Android 10. No, Android 11. It is running in Android 11. Now, the point is, where is Motorola? What good are they doing by not providing the update? That is very sad. I hope Motorola will provide the update as soon as possible. Now let me talk about one more aspect of their smartphone, that is their new smartphone, that are the Moto G40 Fusion. And to be honest, like basically saying, I am very impressed with that smartphone. Like the features they have basically beats out the Poco X3, which is 1000 rupees more. But there's a big point if you're going to buy that smartphone. And number one, there will be no custom ROM supports. Now that is a very big deal. Like people say we love stock Android and that's why I bought the smartphone. You can. But what if you bought a Redmi and you can install that stock Android, and that will be like basically you get the Redmi as well as the stock Android, like Redmi and Motorola both combined. That is a big thing. People don't care about that. People are like, alright, we just don't need about anything custom ROM, we don't install it. Okay, I get it. But if you have, that is better. Now in terms of other things, Redmi MIUI provides like 5 years of updates. MIUI is very good. And in Android update, Redmi provides 3 years of update. In Motorola, they even say one Android 1 program is there, but still they don't provide update, and that is very sad, very terrifying. I hope Motorola will fix it very soon, and I hope your Moto One Action and Moto One Vision, both of those smartphones will get the Android 11 update very soon. What do you think about this video? Please tell me in the comments below, and make sure you like and subscribe my channel and share this video with Motorola fans who are thinking of buying the latest Motorola smartphone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.